Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Defender for Endpoint device onboarding step by step clearly. Start by signing in to the Microsoft 365 Defender portal using your administrator account. Navigate to the settings section found on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Endpoint to access device onboarding options. Select Onboarding. You will see various onboarding methods available. Choose the method that best suits your organization's needs. For example, select Windows 10 and later if you want to onboard Windows devices. Download the onboarding package by clicking the corresponding link. Extract the contents of the downloaded zip file to a known location. Open the extracted folder and locate the onboarding script. Run the script as an administrator to initiate the onboarding process. Follow the prompts provided by the script to complete the onboarding. Monitor the progress in the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. Ensure that the devices you onboarded appear in the Devices section. Check for any alerts or notifications to confirm successful onboarding. Repeat this process for any additional devices as needed. Maintain regular checks to ensure ongoing device compliance and security. This process sets the foundation for robust endpoint protection across your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.